Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My first video is to create a tile map terrain. First, let's create a tile map with size 128 by 96. Each tile has 16 by 16 pixels. Then creating a dark blue background. Create a new layer to prepare for the land. The type of the land object is two-corner. Adjust the noise settings to generate the randomized terrain. Randomize multiple times until getting the preferred landscape. Adjust the noise range to shrink the landscape a bit. Okay, now I feel this map is suitable. Start creating the beach layer now. Create the sand object with type two-corner. Adjust the size and position of the sand object. Start generating the randomized beach. The beaches get covered by land. Adjust the layer order to put beach in front for easier observation. Keep randomizing until getting the preferred landscape. Remove the overlapping part between land and sand object using subtract command. Now put the beach layer above the land layer back, so land will cover beach. Adjust the land and beach to make them look natural. Now creating the connector object with type horizontal stretch to overwrite the gap between land and beach. Change its position and size. Duplicate more connectors and put them to other places. Adjust the tile to make the connection look smooth. Next, let's create a snowland. First thing is to create a new layer. Then create the snowland object. Adjust the position and size of snowland canvas. Generating the randomized snowland. Remove the overlapping part between mainland and snowland. Utilize the subtract command to remove the overlapping part. Adjust the border so they won't be too close. Remove all the single point of mainland. So do the snowland. Remove all the single tile by using remove 0 command. Create a new layer. Start creating the highlands. This time, create an object with type cliff. Drag the newly created object and to adjust its position and size. Add more key points to the cliff object. Adjust the key points to make the cliff border uneven. Create a child layer to hold more cliffs. Create a new cliff object. This time use the brown color one. Adjust the position, size, and also change the outer wall height to 6. Again, add and adjust key points to make the cliff uneven. Now duplicates the cliff. Drag the newly duplicated cliff to new position and adjust its shape. Reduce the outer wall height to 3. Now duplicate a new cliff and move it to the right side. Again, adjust its shape by moving the key points. Put some stairs to connect the cliff. The stair is using 9-slice style. Adjust the position of stair. Duplicate more stairs. Drag to change its size and position. Repeat previous steps until we got enough stairs. Next, let's create some mountains on Snowland. Create a new object with type 2-corner. Adjust its position and size. Draw the mountains manually. Repeat previous steps. This time creates a new layer to hold a new ice object. Let's add mountains to mainland as well. Set the canvas size of mountain object to whole map and draw the mountain manually. Next, create an edit region, so many operations can only take effect within the region. Adjust region size. To cover the high land area, we will create a base to highland. Open the dilate panel. Adjust the noise value to prepare for extending the mainland. Forget to copy highland occupation to land object. Let's use undo command to revert previous operation. Use append command to add the highland occupation to main land object. This time use the dilate command to extend the mainland within the region. Now the highland sits entirely on the mainland. Adjust the newly generated edge. Remove all the single tile on mainland. Next, let's add some ocean border to all the lands. First, append the occupation of main land and beach onto ocean background object. The Show Terrain Occupation Mask setting can be enabled to help better visualizing the occupation. Start extending the ocean background. First, change the range to 0, 1. Then reduce the range, so only some border can be extended. Remove the single tiles. Delete the overlapping area between snowland and ocean background. Now let's create a darker ocean background. First, duplicate current background. Adjust the order. Darker background is covered by lighter background. Delete the palette from duplicated object and create a new one. Now let's extend the background. Forget to add the snowland area to darker ocean background. Revert previous operation first. Append snow land area. Extend the background, again first changing the range to 0, 1. Reduce the range and randomize several times to produce uneven border. The terrain part is done. Let's save the map. Next video, let's start creating castle and village. Thanks for watching. Bye.